Jesus. Alright, well, as you can tell, I've got the car jacked up. I've got my little caster wheel things on there. This is just about a seized brake. I guess I can't have it all. I'm just tickled to death that I jacked up in the center point and nothing sagged. Not that I thought it would. When I did this side, I jacked up first the front side, literally right there where my pliers are, and the entire rear end went up with it. So obviously this frame is still pretty solid. So let's get under it and take a look. This is actually the first time I've gotten a gander at it, and I don't see a whole shitload of rust. I see some. That's not a big deal. Of course, I'm looking for the structural stuff. The cancer that eats all the way through. I had a Mercedes years ago that was just Swiss cheese. I never should have bought it, but I was dumb in grad school. And I spent 2 years fixing that thing up with a welder and taught myself all the stuff. Really taught myself what not to do. That's not bad. Springs aren't too bad. I can pull that apart. I think I can pull that apart and de-rust it and put it all back together. That's not tough. Newer fuel pump, I think. And it is, let's see, where is that? Just as greasy and as grimy and as oil-ridden as a proper English car should be. God, my MGB was even worse. That was years ago, though. Now let's get a look at the back. Gas tank's not so bad. Some sort of a tow chain there. Again, not a lot of structural rust. All this surface stuff I can treat really easily. And I mean, the rear end, big deal. I can de-rustify that and powder coat it or paint it here in my garage. I got a painting rig. And let's look at the other side. Yeah, I got one hell of a deal. Not sure what that is, though. And we'll find out. Nothing leaking out of it, so that's all I give a crap about. Alright. I don't know what that is. Who knows? Definitely fix that. That's easy, too. Again, a little bit of a dent there, but really, I've got a proper grimy, rusty, unrustified, rather, greasy dang English car. Who the hell was it? The guy from 60 Minutes had mentioned that he had an MGB, I think, or maybe it was a Triumph. And the veritable lack of rust on the undercarriage was wholly attributed to its leaking oil. It's Andy Rooney, that's who it was. That's what I've got. Holy cow, this is not going to cost me an arm and a leg to fix up. Right on. Floorboard's a little bit done in, but how much a floorboard's big deal. And let's get a look at the engine bay. I forgot how to look at the engine bay, but alright, cross member. Not too bad. Steering, a little bit of a leak. Big deal. No idea what that's for. More of a leak, but again, big deal. Once I get the car apart, I can take that apart and rebuild it if I need to. pulley's rusted. Who cares? Nothing's wrong with the arm. A little bit of grass up in there. Leaky ass oil pan. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, not bad. Alright, what do we got here? Let's pull this here. This is the back of the front cowling. I think, well, and the inner fender, that's not bad either. I can wire wheel all that down to bare metal, treat it. I think my only challenge, and it'll be a slight one, is up in here. I think he must have hit something. Somebody hit something in the past. This might be the only piece, dare I say it, Bondo? No, maybe not. This might be the only piece that I will need to replace. And I think, okay, I got some solid metal here. It's flaked out in the upper portion above. And let's get way under. Yeah, not too bad. I could probably pound this thing out. Maybe sell it for $1 or $2. It's all my time is worth. Petcock. Yeah, I have exactly what I'd hoped for at the price that I could only dream about. Yep. Well, very nice. Very, very happy. None of this is a showstopper. Yeah, that's it. This wheel is just about seized. I can turn it barely, it just breaks, I think. And I got a bad tie rod end. At least the boot is bad. Replace that and take the car apart. Oops, there we go. Tough to judge my field of vision versus what the camera's looking at. Yeah. Absolutely not bad. This I can take off. Sandblast. Oh yeah, I'm so fucking excited. Right on. Alright, well that's it for the introductions. I guess the next bit will be me tearing stuff down. And maybe a mostly naked car. Heck yeah, cool.